Ow.
Dude, that nature guy though?
That nature dude?
I heard like he's getting those like fat W's, dude.
He killed 7 people.
Bad.
Yeah, but I mean, Nature Guy is pretty cool.
Nature guy's a...
Dude, I mean, I can. When's he gonna drop his mixtape? Like,
I don't know.
I've been waiting. I followed his SoundCloud.
dude.
He got like 4 tracks up. It's all ambient, like rainforest noises. It's kind of, I don't know. It's like, it's not my cup of tea, but I'm waiting for the album to drop. Like,
I mean, it's all digital though. It's good for the. It's
good.
nature, man.
It's nature.
Environment.
It's
you know,
nature.
man?
It's the environment. You know.
Yeah. Don't we know you from somewhere? You're that nature guy. Yeah. The one from SoundCloud.
Actually, I'm Nathan. Yeah, that's my name.
Dude.
Nathan Guy.
Dude, you related to like nature guy?
Maybe.
Dude. That's where you're at.
Okay, hear me out. I got a theory about
Yeah.
that Nathan guy. Okay,
wow.
Nathan. What letter? Does
Hello! I am the destructor of the night. I'm feline pretty good. I'm the cat of finesse. I am Dr. Meow Meow!
You got SoundCloud?
So yeah, I've got a YouTube channel that just has a bunch of cats. But they're not allowed in my apartment complex. They're not my cats. They're not my videos. I decided to play those.
That's kind of clown like.
Yeah.
That's a little sus. I'm not
That's
sure.
a little-
Like, that's kind of.
Drop a mixtape. We'll talk
Drop a
then.
mix. Okay, when you drop a mixtape, we'll talk when you drop a mixtape. Okay, until then, I'm gonna leave you alone.
Mixtape. Give us a call.
Get us a mixtape, like put it onto a cassette tape. Okay.
Mail it, or
Mail it
use
for
the
free.
internet. It's
Use the bring
Push
that
the
on the
button.
disc, bring that wave
Yeah.
file. You know, we'll talk to you. I know some people. Okay.
yeah.
My cousin. Okay, he's got like a he's. You heard of Logic? I'm gonna go get some water.
You didn't need to tell me that. Just go get water. Go get.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Get out.
Okay.
Get out.
You know what? Okay, I'm gonna go get water. You know what? Cups are bad for the environment. I'm gonna go to the drinking fountain.
The balance between humans and wildlife shifts. We need environmental philosophers to guide us through these challenges.
Dude. What is that? Oh god. I gotta get a hold of Nature Man. Nature Man! Where am I?
You are in the Nature Cave, a forest of nature, which is also a cave.
Nature Cave? Nature guy! Nature, I need your help! My friend, he's been kidnapped!
I will help you with your friend. Because of your crimes against nature, I cannot let you live.
You are trapped. Nobody can move when a cat is asleep on their lap.
Curse you! When Nature Guy gets here, you're gonna get kicked and punched probably and die because he's killed 7 people. That's not that's a little concerning.
Your precious nature guy won't save you now. I haven't littered or anything like that in my entire existence. Oh no.
What are you doing?
I was recycling. I'm gonna recycle this now. Well, yeah.
Finally, I'm free. Thanks a ton, nature guy.